What's good, Glam Gang? Welcome back. My name is Tehja and today it's an easy DIY for episode 8 of 14 Days of a Teezy Valentine. Today I will be making the Farsali 24K gold face mist, and so if you would like to know how to make your own Farsali 24K gold mist face mist, please keep on watching to the end of the video, and I'll also be demoing it as well. So here we go. I have my spray bottle. I believe this is 4 ounces. Either way, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's repurposed actually from my glow mist DIY, and so now we're going to use it for this one. So I'm first going to take my 24K karat gold flakes. Still have this left over, and I'm going to put just the rest of it into this bottle using the tweezers that it comes with, and you kind of like pull it apart and like stuff it in. And then take our rose water next. It's in this container, and I'm just gonna pour it pretty much like halfway. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, about halfway like that. It's better to use orange blossom water, but I just use rose water instead because that's just what I had on hand. Then I'm going to take my teaspoon. I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. And then next, after that, I'm going to be taking citronella. They usually use lemongrass and orange essential oil, but I just have citronella on hand. And about 20 to 40 drops is best, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. You can choose not to put any fragrance in it because it already has the rose water, or if you use orange blossom water, then it's fine. But lastly, I'm going to be taking my 24K gold pigment just to add a little bit of extra sparkle. I'm going to be using my tablespoon, and I'll probably just put 1. I don't want like too much pigment. I'm just going to fill it up to the neck with water, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to put the cap on and shake it up. And ta-da! That's pretty much what it looks like. Without the pigment, it would look more like the actual setting spray, but I decided to add a little bit of pigment to it just to make it a little bit extra, you know, glowy and fabulous. That is it. Easy, simple, easy to make, smells great, and you can make it in all these different varieties, different mica pigments if you want, different scents, different waters, oils, whatever you want. You can just customize it to your likes and benefits and just whatever you need. Now, here is the self-love journaling prompt of the day. I want you to write a love letter to yourself. Yes, it's time to get romantic with yourself, okay? And write a love letter to yourself. Preferably try to fill up and complete 1 page of things that you love about yourself, things that you adore about yourself, and sign it to yourself. And so that's pretty much it. You can do it in your journal. You can write it on a piece of paper and just put it in like a little cute little love letter card or something really, really cute. Like dress it up, make it special for you. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and all of that good stuff. So as always, please love yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow for episode 9 of 14 Days of a Teezy Valentine. Mwah!